Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at the top 3 features of the Miele H2265-1B electric oven. It heats up rapidly so you can get cooking quickly, it has assisted cleaning whilst cooking your meals, and it has enough space to accommodate large dishes. So we're going to head over to the lab now where we're going to take a look at things in a little bit more detail. We're here in the lab and this is the Miele electric oven. Now whenever you're craving a bite to eat or time just isn't on your side when needing to whip up your family's meals, this Miele oven has you covered because it heats up really rapidly. Now to show you this, we've got a stopwatch and I'm going to set it to 180 and we're going to see how long it takes. So let's go. And 3, 2, 1, start the clock. So that was pretty rapid, that was 5 minutes 53, and as it heats up so rapidly it means that you can get to cooking straight away. And it also means that you can enjoy your foods just the way you like them, as it actually maintains the temperature that you set within 1 degree, so you'll get perfectly cooked dishes each and every time. You're going to spend more time cooking and less time cleaning thanks to its integrated catalytic liners, which conveniently burn away food residue during normal cooking operations. It also comes with Miele baking trays, which are coated in an exclusive perfect clean non-stick coating, which wipe clean as new with just a bit of water and washing up liquid, which means you don't have to be vigorously scrubbing away at burnt on food and grease. There's also no need to panic when cooking up a large meal like a Sunday roast for your family and guests as well, because the large 76-litre capacity and 5 adjustable shelf levels make it really easy to accommodate a whole chicken and a couple of trays of sides as well. If you'd like any more info on the Miele H2265-1B electric oven, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.